Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Being lost in a foreign country can be very scary, especially when you are a beginner in English. But don't worry, today we will learn how to stay calm, ask for help, and find your way back. Imagine you are walking down a beautiful but crowded street abroad. Our main character, Lily, is separated from her friend. Her phone has no internet and she needs to get to the art museum alone. Let's watch how she uses simple English to ask an open-minded stranger, Austin, and a kind police officer for directions. Let's learn together.
Oh no, where is my friend? He is not at the corner. I am completely lost. Okay, take a deep breath. Don't panic, Lily. I need to find the art museum. Excuse me, sir. Sorry to bother you. Can you help me, please?
Oh, hello. Yes, of course. What's the matter?
I am lost. I need to go to the art museum. Do you know where it is?
Ah, the art museum. Yes, I know it. It is not too far from here.
Really? Thank goodness. Can I walk there?
Yes, you can. Walk straight down this main street for about 10 minutes. Then you will see a very large park on your left side. The museum is right next to the park.
Walk straight, look for a big park on the left, and the museum is next to it. Is that correct?
Yes, that's exactly right. You can't miss it.
Thank you so much for your kindness. Have a wonderful day.
You're very welcome. Good luck.
Oh dear, I have walked for 10 minutes, but I don't see any park. I think I am lost again. Look, there is a police station across the road. Going to the police is always safe. Excuse me, officer. I need some help, please.
Hello there. Don't worry, you are safe here. What seems to be the problem?
I got separated from my friend. I'm trying to get to the art museum, but I don't know the way.
I see. The art museum is just 5 minutes away. Do you want me to speak slowly?
Yes, please. My English is not very good.
No problem. You are doing great. When you leave this station, turn right and walk straight.
Turn right and walk straight. Okay.
Go past the big park. The art museum is the large white building right after the park.
Turn right, walk past the park, and look for a white building. Got it.
Perfect. You got it. Just follow those steps and you will be there in no time.
Thank you so much, officer. You really helped me feel better.
It's my pleasure. Stay calm and enjoy your visit.
Wow! I see the white building. I actually found it.
Lily! Lily! Over here! I am so glad you are safe.
Tyler! Oh my God, I was so worried. What happened to you?
The police closed the previous street for a parade, so I had to move. I came straight here to wait for you.
It's okay. You know what? I asked for directions and even went to the police station all by myself.
Wow, that is amazing. I am so proud of you, Lily. You are very brave.
Thank you. I learned today that simple English is enough if you are brave and keep trying.
Useful expressions. Incredible job! Being lost is stressful, but Lily handled it perfectly. Let's look at 5 essential expressions that can save you when you are lost in a foreign country. 1. I am lost. This is the first and most important phrase to say when you don't know where you are. It is short, clear, and lets people know immediately that you need help. 2. Sorry to bother you. Before you ask a stranger for help on the street, say this polite phrase. It shows that you respect their time, and people will be much happier to stop and listen to you. 3. You can't miss it. When someone gives you directions, they often end with, "You can't miss it." This means the place is very big, famous, or easy to see, so you will definitely find it without any trouble. 4. What seems to be the problem? This is a standard phrase used by police officers, hotel staff, or doctors when they want to offer help. It simply means, "How can I help you today?" or "What is wrong?" 5. In no time. Officer Brooks told Lily, "You will be there in no time." This is a common idiom that means very quickly or very soon. You did a phenomenal job today. Getting lost is no longer scary because you know exactly what to say. Have you ever been lost in a foreign city before? How did you find your way back? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next empowering lesson. Bye!